at some point, did you actually receive from Mr. Alava video footage from the Ring camera for the time frame of when those people, or when whoever it was that rented that Airbnb here in Tampa?
Yes.
What time period was covered for the rental of that Airbnb here in Tampa?
The afternoon to evening of the Saturday the 22nd to the afternoon of Sunday the 23rd.
Not only did you get video footage from Mr. Alava of the Ring camera, did you yourself go to that Airbnb and take video footage of the Airbnb and the surrounding backyard and the parking lot of the Airbnb?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Where is the Ring camera located at that Airbnb on 3703 Gazebo Lane in Tampa, Florida?
It's at the front door if you're looking at the door off to the left.
Is there any other Ring camera on that property?
No.
I'm going to show you what's been marked for identification, states exhibit number. Detective, can you show us what is being shown in this video of 60?
Yeah, we just saw the front door with the camera off to the left, and now I'm walking around to the south side of the building to get to the only other door to that unit. These are some parking spaces on the south side of.
And is this behind where that Airbnb is?
Correct. It's the second unit in, so this is the back gate door to that unit.
And do you have to walk down this grassy dirt path to get there?
Correct.
Is there a timestamp on this video?
Yes, bottom right, 1955.
And is that an accurate timestamp?
It is.
And what's being shown here?
A defendant, Alicia Andrews, came up to the door, appeared to knock on it, and then turned around and walked away.
And what's the approximate time?
1956 now. This is defendant, Alicia Andrews, walking into the Airbnb.
Detective, does this have audio?
Yes.
I'm going to replay it with the audio. Hold on one second. Pause it right there. So did you obtain all of the Ring video activations for this front door from Anthony Alava?
I did.
Okay. And is this on June 22nd of 2024, going into the early mornings of June 23rd of 2024, is there any other video footage of anyone captured on this front door Ring camera?
No.
Okay. Based on your investigation, did you determine more than just Alicia Andrews, who's
rephrase.
based on your investigation, did you determine how many people were at that Airbnb during the course of June 22nd of 2024 and June 23rd of 2024?
Yes,
How many people were there?
5 people.
Who were those 5 people?
The defendants in this case, Alicia Andrews and her co-defendants, Isaiah Chance, Sean Gathright, Davion Murphy, and Rashad Murphy.
You see that at the time when Miss Andrews is first shown, what was the approximate time on this video where she's seen knocking and then shortly thereafter entering into the Airbnb?
Knocking approximately 7:55 p.m. on the 22nd and entering 7:56 p.m. on the 22nd.
Did you also obtain a search warrant for the defendant's phone records, her cell site information, and time in advance for her cell phone?
I did.
And in one of these videos, can you actually see her holding a pink phone?
Yes.
And based on your looking at the time in advance records of Miss Andrews' phone, did you determine when she arrived in the area of this Airbnb, and does it correspond with her entering into this particular Airbnb?
Yeah, her phone arrived into the vicinity of the Airbnb at approximately 7:52 p.m., 3 minutes before the activation on the ring.
Okay. Did you also obtain cell phone records for the co-defendant in this case and boyfriend to the defendant, Isaiah Chance?
Yes.
And what about Sean Gathright?
Yes.
And were you able to get cell site information, location data for both Isaiah Chance and Sean Gathright's phone?
Yes.
And what time did both of their phones approximately arrive at this location?
Both of their phones arrived around the same time, 7:52 p.m.
And is there no other activation of this front door other than the defendant, Alicia Andrews, entering into this Airbnb?
On the 22nd, no.
Okay. And do you see if can you tell me what is shown in this front door angle where she immediately knocks and then eventually comes back?
Yes, so this camera is pointing east from the building to the parking spaces in front of the unit.
Okay. Are there any parking spaces that are open and empty for somebody to park in?
3 that I can see.
Do you ever see a black Chevy Impala pull up to this townhome?
No.
Do you ever see a silver Chevy Cruze pull up to this townhome?
No.
Did you have a phone record for the co-defendant, Davion Murphy?
Yes.
And were you able to get cell site location and data information from Davion Murphy's phone?
Yes.
Does it show his phone arriving at this Airbnb on Gazebo Pond Lane in Tampa, Florida on June 22nd of 2024?
It does.
What time does he arrive?
Approximately 7:57, 5 minutes after the first 3 defendants arrived.
And do you ever see Davion Murphy enter into this front door?
No.
What about Rashad Murphy?
No.
On June 22nd of 2024?
No.
What about Sean Gathright?
No.
And that video that we just saw where we show a back door that how far do you have to walk around to get to that back door and through that gate?
It's approximately a 50 feet walk from the front door.
And is there video footage that is collected from this Ring camera from June 23rd, 2024, after the homicide had occurred?
Yes.
Is this from the following day after the homicides occurred?
Yes, 2:09 p.m. on June 23rd.
And who's being depicted now on this Ring camera?
Isaiah Chance briefly stepped out.
And what time is it now on June 23rd of 2024?
2:58 p.m.
And what else is of note in this particular shot?
Isaiah Chance walks up to, at this point in the investigation, an unrecognized vehicle.
do we see now?
Defendant Alicia Andrews walking out.
What's she carrying?
Bags?
Day before, did you see anyone load bags into this Airbnb?
No.
Who do we see there?
Davion Murphy?
Ever see him enter the Airbnb on June 22nd of 2024?
No.
Is that another photo of him entering?
Correct.
Do you know where he got the stuff that he was carrying to that vehicle that's placed in the front of the camera?
No.
Is the direction of where he's coming from lead to eventually the back door of this Airbnb?
Correct.
Is there another individual that we just saw on this Airbnb camera?
Yes, Sean Gathright.
And again, on June 23rd of 2024?
Correct.
Do we have any video footage of showing how he got into this Airbnb?
No, we do not.
What are we seeing here?
This is co-defendant Sean Gathright coming back to the door and apparently talking to someone, giving him the code to the door.
Okay, and is that vehicle no longer there?
Yeah, yes, the vehicle SUV is gone now.
Do you see any black Chevy Impala in this video?
No.
And again, what direction is he walking in?
Towards the rear door.
Who's the only defendant that is not shown in this Airbnb video?
Defendant Rashad Murphy.
What's his nickname again?
Ghost 187.
Now, I want to ask you about that vehicle that is pulled up where you can see that they're loading bags into that vehicle. During the course of your investigation, did you determine what that vehicle was?
Yes, it was an Uber.
Okay. And did you do research to locate which Uber came to that address at 3703 Gazebo Lane?
Yeah, I confirmed the exact Uber.
Okay. And, Your Honor, may we approach the bench?
Yes? Members of the jury, it's 5:10, so it's probably a good time for us to go ahead and break for the evening. So we are making good progress, okay? I just want you guys to know. And I know you guys have been very patient with us and working hard, and it's greatly appreciated. So we will be on our evening recess. Just remember my previous admonition. Don't do any independent research, talk to anybody about this case, or listen, watch, or read any news accounts or social media accounts. All right? Great. See you all tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
All right.
Okay, very good. All right, so Detective, same rules since you've not yet been cross-examined. You cannot talk to anybody about anything related to this case, including the prosecutors. And we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Sure.
Okay,
Good evening.
very good.